anxious people. They're searching the world to find all of the good in evil. Too many lights gone out. So many stars stop shining. I'm looking for words to shout, but nobody cares to listen. Maybe we all keep lying. Maybe we all need to find it. The bit of my world is empty, but something much deeper sends me. I'll keep asking. It's there like a hunger, wanting to survive. Still I'm okay. I'm okay now. I'm okay. I'm okay now. Gone on.